The West Jaintia District Sports Association trial on archery for the Indian round category only at Kiang Nangbah Stadium today. Over 20 youths have registered to participate in the training session. The main objective of the event was to raise awareness and promote the sport of archery among talented youths in the district who are interested in traditional archery. EMH Pasa, working president of WJDSA, highlighted the difference between traditional archery and professional archery. While E. Hing, secretary of the archery committee, expressed optimism about the potential of youth from the district. Currently, there are 4 youths undergoing training in archery, and in the past year, they have won several medals in different categories.
Mana si Pinang gani Pinang
itu nangmi kena cimadon kasap kadang kadang ni trials but ia kat jikitiar ru ni la su tedhi mangi kadang ba kena kinyo ban tip ba ki kitiar thamai kumno kitarikam bat kumno bakin practice man kasni kadang bakin long lapoi ka competition ti kin long kin sok
ya ni le yo ro ban ya sim pentah ha kani kan mikhalia kem subala long ha nong ba turah bat ha gato ni le yo korsibon ki medals gold medal nag recof ni yo bat kan the bat sinrang bat kim elenti ba daga jingpon long jongi kani ka trial bat ngin sa ai gi jing training nang ni hadu banda poi hi ka mikhalia kem kumba ka la long ha po kani ka district jongi ban kim elenti ro ba ngin yo kurs bon syuk ki medals kumbang la kormen syam senang ban kibil tiba mentah usne minang ya bon syuk ki medals